I fly like man of madness. No, I don't. But I like it. I like seeing it take off right in front of me, though. I'm weird like that.
Timer cleared.
Don't listen to me. Do your thing.
Oh, I listen. It just I may not do it, but I'll listen. I'll listen. I hear a Texan or Volti or something.
When it comes to the king of foam, I got nothing on you, man.
I'm not the king of foam.
This is your deal, man.
I'm just a foam addict. It owns me.
Yeah, where is this?
It's like a Volti.
Oh, there it is.
You can tell because it makes all that noise and doesn't move. Okay, going up.
We'll get it.
Go chase the Volti. Go fly right at it right now. You can kind of see the burner today.
See it? I ain't taking anything home. Jesus. This nice lady shows up. I got a couple of airplanes. If you guys are interested, they belong to my husband. I didn't ask what happened to him.
Oh,
So,
she's just giving them away. It's her,
exactly.
her ex or...
Yeah.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Soon to be ex, I'm gonna get rid of this shit.
That's what I was gonna... Yeah. Get rid of it before some settlement or something, right?
What happened to my airplanes?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe you should put it. Look on Craigslist.
Where'd you put them on? Where'd you put them? Did you put them in the garage last time? You gotta remember.
I think the garage was unlocked, honey.
That one's actually fairly low.
Oh, it is. You're right. They talked about that in the meeting too. I should be lower. Oops.
Yeah, I didn't even hear him.
I'm more worried about the
Time
big
remaining
bird.
1 minute.
Like those birds right there. Hello, birds.
Birdie num num.
I like that sound.
Yeah. Really cut through well.
It's kind of freaky though. It
30
kind of
seconds.
dove on me.
Yeah, you need to gyro on that one, my friend.
I know, but it
Damping
just
out that wing rock.
it'll get rid of the wing rock for sure. But I didn't like the reverser on the elevator, so I took it out.
7, 6, gear down, 5, 4.
It's like a dust devil. Dust devil or something like that. Thank you. No flaps.
Oh, that was no flaps?
Yeah, I don't use them.
I didn't even look.
Because when I use flaps on this thing, it always balloons. Man, if there's a headwind, I won't use it. Whoa! God, it keeps putting their planes up and walking away. It's for sure gonna blow off. All done. Wow, this wind just came out of nowhere. What the heck? What time is it? I was gonna say it must be 3 o'clock.